Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make pho. Um, Pho is one of those things that we make at home maybe every 3 weeks. We just love soup here, right? So when I first made pho, I made it the easy way where I went to the store, I grabbed some chicken broth or some beef broth, boiled it with the herbs and spices it needed, and called it a day, right? But then you realize that if you have a little bit more time and you want a healthier broth with what you can control at home, then you go ahead and do it this way. And today I'll be doing chicken because chicken's a little faster than beef. When I first made it from scratch, I did find a recipe that I'm going to attach to the description below that I use as a reference, but now I kind of get the gist of it and I add more or less of what I think I would want in my broth or as far as my flavor. Pho is a Vietnamese soup consisting of a bone broth. Depending on what kind of bone you use, you'll have chicken or beef in there, some rice noodles. It's served with herbs, limes, bean sprouts, specific toppings, but you use what you have. You use what you do like, what you can find, because sometimes you can't find every single ingredient at the store. I love soups. And to me, soups are cozy, they're nourishing, they're comforting, they're just so much deliciousness in a bowl, right? It can be 99.9 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and I'm still gonna cook soup. I'm still gonna eat soup. There's just something about it. And then this is gonna sound a little weird, but pho is kind of special because of all the spices it uses, like the coriander, the fennel seeds, the star anise, the cinnamon, the cloves, right? It's like drinking a salty tea water, but good and flavorful. I can't explain it. It sounds weird, but it's just so good. And think about the health benefits of all those ingredients I just mentioned as well, right? That's like one of the highlights for me with pho. And like I mentioned before, if you're short on time, there is a shortcut. You can go to the store and just grab some beef or chicken broth, then boil that with the spices and serve with chicken or beef, your noodles, all the toppings, and you'll have yourself a quick weekday dinner. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. And if you're still here watching and you like my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you feel called to subscribe, then do that too. And anyways, peace and love. Enjoy the rest of the video.